Hi, I'm Morgan with Danuser. Today we're going to go over the hammer post driver strike plate options and how to choose the correct plate for your application. We offer 4 strike plate options for the hammer, and each is designed for its own specific use. The plate that ships with the hammer is a smooth strike plate. This plate is well suited for larger posts, 5 to 8 inches in diameter. We offer 2 options for posts 5 inches in diameter and smaller, the horseshoe and the donut plate. If you have a helper, we suggest using the donut plate. As the name implies, this plate has a welded donut that helps to keep the poster pipe centered through the driving process. If you're working alone, we suggest using the horseshoe plate. Again, our creative naming gives you an idea of what this plate looks like. The open end of the horseshoe should be on the grapple side of the case opening. This allows the grapple to load the poster pipe, but limits movement while it's being driven. The horseshoe plate is also the plate that is used with the T-post adapter. The final option is the guardrail plate. This plate can be used to drive either 6 or 8 inch I-beam style guardrail. This plate keeps guardrail from twisting during the driving process. When you're ready to change strike plates, refer to pages 13 to 15 of your operator's manual. For more information, visit us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or at danuser.com.